Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Dremel 4300 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful rotary tools on the market, making it an indispensable companion for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and professionals alike, offering unparalleled performance and a wide array of applications for everything from intricate detailing and carving to grinding, sanding, and cutting through various materials with ease and precision, ensuring that your projects are completed efficiently and to the highest standard. Number 5. Dremel 4300 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the Dremel 4300, a premium rotary tool kit designed for ultimate performance. It includes everything you need to tackle any project with ease. Experience the difference with its high-performance motor, delivering maximum power for even the toughest jobs. You'll achieve professional results every time. Achieve perfect control with variable speed settings from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. Its electronic feedback ensures consistent performance and accuracy. The universal 3-jaw chuck allows for easy accessory changes, making it compatible with all Dremel accessories. Switch between tasks seamlessly. Our innovative pivot light rotates to illuminate your work area, even in tight spaces. See every detail clearly for precise work. Enjoy a more comfortable working experience thanks to the innovative airflow system. It prevents heat buildup for smoother, cooler, and quieter operation. This tool is designed for longevity. Replaceable motor brushes ensure extended tool life, so you can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This tool boasts a high-performance motor for demanding tasks and a universal chuck for all accessory sizes. Its integrated LED light illuminates your work. If you need a robust tool for a wide range of applications and appreciate compatibility with all accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. The flex shaft is a lifesaver when doing detail work. This set comes with a chuck which makes swapping out bits too easy. The variable speed control gives great flexibility and the tool feels solid and reliable in hand. Number 4. AVID Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. Experience the freedom of a powerful, cordless rotary tool. Its robust motor and 5 variable speeds handle everything from DIY crafts to pet grooming with ease. Forget cords and outlets. This tool features a long-lasting rechargeable battery, fully charged in just 3 to 4 hours, and a spindle lock for quick accessory changes. For bright LED lights ensure perfect visibility, even in dim conditions. Plus, its low-noise operation makes it comfortable for both you and your pets. Designed with an anti-slip, ergonomic handle, it offers a comfortable grip for precise control. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during delicate tasks. Unleash your creativity with 60 included accessories. Perfect for grinding, sanding, polishing, carving, and so much more for all your home projects. This package includes the rotary tool, 60 accessories, a charger, and a convenient canvas bag for easy storage and portability. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design with a long-lasting battery. It features 4 LED lights for excellent visibility and operates with low noise. If you prioritize convenience, good lighting in dark areas, or are looking for a tool that's gentler on your ears and pets, this is ideal. What people say. The Dremel 4300 has a powerful motor that handles various tasks with ease. The toolless system for changing accessories is a significant time saver. The variable speed control allows precise adjustments for different materials and applications. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile tool is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for various tasks. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily find the perfect speed for any job, from sanding to polishing. Achieve the power you need for different scenarios with precision. Designed to be compact and lightweight, it feels like holding a pen, offering ultimate control and comfort. Take this powerful tool anywhere and use it whenever inspiration strikes. The built-in rechargeable battery provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Its USB charging makes powering up convenient and easy, so you can keep creating without interruption. Experience enhanced precision with the integrated LED light. It illuminates your work area, reducing shadows and ensuring better visibility for more accurate results, especially in dark areas. This tool is ideal for sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. It's your go-to for detailed craftwork, making intricate projects more manageable and enjoyable. What we like. This mini rotary tool offers a compact, lightweight design that feels like holding a pen, providing ultimate control for fine work. It charges conveniently via USB. If you focus on detailed, precision tasks and value portability and ease of handling, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. The little light at the tip is worth its weight in gold. It comes with a case and a bunch of bits and replacement bits. The variable speed makes it perfect for a multitude of applications. Number 2. Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Introducing the Fanttik F2 Master Mini, your ultimate companion for detailed DIY projects. It's designed for precision and power in a compact form. Experience a quieter workspace with its advanced brushless motor, reducing noise by 30%. Enjoy strong performance and less heat, even at its maximum 25,000 revolutions per minute. Effortlessly switch between 5 adjustable speed settings. This allows you to tackle a wide range of precision tasks with ease and accuracy. Never lose an attachment again. The magnetic stand keeps 35 accessories organized and within reach, making tasks like engraving, polishing, and drilling incredibly convenient. Weighing only 0.22 pounds, its mini design is perfect for creativity on the go. The durable aluminum case ensures it's ready for any adventure. With a seamless speed control and waterproof design, it adapts to any environment. The LED indicator keeps you informed of settings for precise operation. Charge fully in just 60 minutes via USB-C. A power indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge, and the front LED light aids in detailed work. What we like. It features a quiet, powerful brushless motor and a unique magnetic stand for organized accessory storage. Charging is a breeze with its universal USB-C port. If you appreciate a quieter operation, convenient tool management, and modern charging solutions for your precision crafting, this is the one. What people say. Equipped with a brushless hollow cup motor, the tool operates quietly and efficiently, reducing noise by 30% compared to standard motors. Offers 5 adjustable speed settings up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match the speed to the task at hand. Features a universal Type-C port that fully charges the device in approximately 40 minutes. Number 1. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool 4V. Never let a dead battery stop your flow. Our tool charges via USB-C, so you can keep creating even while it powers up. Say goodbye to interruptions and hello to continuous inspiration. Experience a new level of power for all your DIY needs. This tool handles small materials with ease, helping you perfect every detail and create personalized gifts. Enjoy enhanced durability and a longer lifespan with our smart charging protection. It ensures optimal performance, so your creativity is never compromised. With 5 adjustable speeds, you can easily tackle any small DIY project. Its lightweight design reduces hand strain, allowing for hours of comfortable work, even for beginners. This versatile set includes everything you need for fine DIY work. It's perfect for engraving, sanding, polishing, and crafting, fitting right into the palm of your hand. What we like. This tool offers the unique advantage of being usable while charging, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. It has an upgraded motor for enhanced power and features charging protection for extended battery life. If you often find yourself running out of battery or want a tool that's always ready to go, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Diamond tips work great. This is perfect for small intricate detail work. Its design is good and compact, and it's very quiet, and I can put the drill bit on my finger full speed without worrying about getting harmed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.